Hey everyone, welcome back! If you love discovering fresh reading material, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into NPR's new books this week, for April 22nd, 2025. 5 titles you won't want to miss. Let's get started. First up, Atavists by Lydia Millet. This short story collection drops you into a near-future Los Angeles teetering on climate collapse. Millet's spare prose is equal parts funny and unsettling, perfect if you crave literary fiction with an environmental edge. Next, change the recipe from chef humanitarian José Andrés and Richard Wolffe. Part kitchen memoir, part humanitarian manifesto, it weaves recipes, both literal and life lesson, into Andrés' story of feeding communities in crisis. Ideal for foodies and activists alike. Looking for something sunnier? Great Big Beautiful Life by Emily Henry delivers that signature summer beach vibe. 2 rival journalists vie for an exclusive interview with an aging heiress. Think light romance, witty banter, and summer nostalgia. For a deeply personal read, Notes to Joan unveils Joan Didion's private psychiatric journals, addressed to her late husband, John Gregory Dunn. Raw, introspective, and historically poignant, this one's a must for Didion fans and memoir lovers. Finally, When the Wolf Comes Home by Nat Cassidy is a fast-paced horror homage to 80s action paperbacks. When an actress rescues a mysterious boy in the woods, all hell breaks loose. Bloody, thrilling, and perfect for late-night scares. There you have it. 5 fresh releases to add to your TBR. Which one are you most excited to read? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this roundup, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly book recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.